Hello, everyone. Today we have a true legend on our hands, the new 2025 Brabus pickup. This vehicle combines incredible power, premium technology, and sophisticated design that will leave no car enthusiast indifferent. Let's dive into the details and find out why this pickup is worth your attention. The exterior of the 2025 Brabus pickup impresses at first glance. The vehicle boasts an aggressive and powerful look. The front grille is crafted in Brabus's signature style, featuring large air intakes and LED headlights with bright LED optics. The body lines emphasize the dynamic and confident character of this pickup. Massive wheel arches and 22-inch alloy wheels add extra stability and an impressive appearance. The rear of the pickup is adorned with stylish LED taillights and a powerful exhaust system that produces a deep, resonant sound. Inside the 2025 Brabus pickup, luxury and comfort reign supreme. The cabin is trimmed with the highest quality leather with contrast stitching, and carbon fiber and wood elements create an atmosphere of exclusivity. All seats come with heating, ventilation, and massage functions, ensuring maximum comfort for both the driver and passengers. The central console features a modern multimedia system with a 14-inch touchscreen. The system supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and the Burmester audio system guarantees crystal clear sound. Under the hood of the 2025 Brabus pickup lies a 4.0-liter V8 engine with twin turbochargers, delivering an astonishing 900 horsepower. This pickup accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.3 seconds, making it one of the fastest in its class. The all-wheel drive system and adaptive suspension provide excellent handling and a comfortable ride on any road. Whether you're driving through city streets or off-road, this pickup is ready for any challenge. Brabus places great emphasis on the safety of its vehicles. The 2025 pickup is equipped with all the latest safety systems, including adaptive cruise control, collision prevention system, blind spot monitoring, and parking assistant. The 360-degree camera helps you maneuver easily in tight spaces. The 2025 Brabus pickup is a combination of power, luxury, and cutting-edge technology. This vehicle is perfect for those who don't want to compromise between style and performance. If you enjoyed our review, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss our new episodes. See you next time. Subscribe to our channel to stay updated with the latest in the automotive world. This is Host's Name, signing off. See you in the next episode.